This is elevator number 1 at Perkins Library at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. This was originally something, but it got modernized by someone with GAL hall stations, and it has an innovation indicator right there. Lower level 2. Here you go down. Oh, there's the indicator. I wonder if this had innovation before the GAL. You know, this looks like a slightly older GAL model, maybe it's newer, I don't know. Here at lower level 2. Up to 4. Interior go up. Elevator 2-1. I'm pretty sure this is not the only elevator here. 4 is burned out on this side, but it works on the other side. Yeah, someone called it as JLVP fixtures. The lantern's completely burned out. Go back down to 1. 88 phone. Certificate, still 1968. Basic stainless steel cab. But the elevator got on more recent, but it has an innovation indicator on the first floor. I got JLVP, Jet Plus VP fixtures. They're stopping at 2. Really? And that's going to be it.